If you're thinking about sending a video resume, then let me tell you exactly how, but also why you should send a video resume, because it's extremely important, especially to be able to stand out from the entire group. A video resume will set a really good first impression about who you are, what you do, and why someone should reach out to you for that next step. And that's something really important to think about, because a video resume is not your resume in a video. It's a video that goes along with your resume. Think of this video as an introduction, which is why it should be straight, simple, and to the point. And the delivery on how you take this video and send it off to them should be extremely seamless. So let's break this down into a couple of different components, because I think it's going to be extremely useful for you. So make sure you stick around until the very end of the video. And if you already like what you're seeing, then yeah, like and subscribe to my channel. And as somebody who has gone through a lot of resumes when I was working a corporate role, trying to hire a marketing associate, put out a job posting on Indeed, and just resume after resume, like 15 to 20 a day. And I would wait for about a week to review these alls. And so the ones that stood out the most to me were the ones that actually put in the effort for me to actually want to reach out to them, because I knew that they were more motivated to have this position. And so when you incorporate a video into your resume, it's going to A, help you stand out from everybody else. It allows you the opportunity to kind of show who you are, how you present yourself, what you could possibly bring to the table by highlighting a few key elements within this video to let them know, like, I'm the one for this position, so please pick up that phone and give me a call. When you're starting off creating this video, don't think of it as I have to remember the script. Think of it of I need to introduce myself to this random person that I don't even know to encourage them to look at my resume. And so when you are scripting this video, I want it to be straight and simple and to the point. Okay, here's your script. It's going to be a smile and a hello. Introduce yourself, who you are, what you do, and why they should reach out to you, and then a goodbye and smile. Really simple. Okay, let me give you a real life example of what this looks like. Okay, what position am I applying for? A video position. Okay, for a director, I don't even know the person, doesn't really matter. Hi, my name is Victor, and I saw that you guys were posting about a position for a video producer, and I think that I have some really great qualities in the same space for documentaries, humanitarian reasons, and just our values really align. And so I would love to get in front of you and have a 15-minute discussion about how we could potentially even work together on the same team. So if this is something that you would enjoy, I have included my resume down in the bottom of this video email. And hey, there's even a button where you can schedule some time to chat on the phone for a quick 15 minutes. So if this works, awesome. And I look forward to having a conversation with you. See ya. Okay, I might have gone just a little bit off topic, but that's okay. I'm acting like a real human. I'm a real person, and you cannot seem scripted. If this comes off like I'm reading a piece of paper, this is what I qualify for, blah, 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 it's boring. And I don't have time for that. As somebody who's going to be reviewing all these resumes, I want to get straight to the point and be able to skim through every single one to see exactly who I should be calling up for those next steps. And so when you're contemplating putting this video together, just make sure that it's quick, straight, simple, and to the point. Give that good first impression that you need, and then send it off using a really seamless delivery method. Now, I'm going to give you a couple examples, because I, a video user for many, many years, has been using this program called BombBomb. There is a link in the description. If you want to sign up for BombBomb, you'll get your first 2 weeks for free. And then after that, it is a paid subscription. So if you really love video emails, then yeah, utilize a program like this. But if it's a one-time thing, you can use them for the first 2 weeks, or you can go for an alternative route that essentially would just plug into like Gmail or whatever email provider that you might use, because the concepts that you're about to learn is essentially the exact same. So when you're recording your video, let's say instead of BombBomb, you would already directly record this video like you were recording just on a webcam, and then it would send it off by adding in an email, and you can type in your text. Some other great things about utilizing a platform like this is that it gives you analytics, and we all love analytics. Why? Because I love knowing when somebody opens my email. Let me just say this, that BombBomb is a great platform to use, which is why I pay for it. Use the link in the description below for your first 2 weeks for free, and then you switch over to a paid program, heck, even use those 2 weeks just to kind of see if you even like sending off video emails, because again, that's my preferred way of communicating is through videos. And plus I get some face-to-face time with you people, which helps build meaningful and long-lasting relationships, which is another key component on video resumes. If you also want to get a little fancy, you can even include a little button to schedule a 15-minute conversation with you. Now it's a little bit more advanced. You'd have to use another program called Calendly, which I do recommend. I don't know if I have a link, but if I do, it'll be down low in the description. You can use a platform for free and get your first calendar for free. And what it allows you to do is connect your calendars with your emails. That way people can click on your button, schedule a time with you directly into your calendar, bypassing all this back and forth. So if you want to get all fancy with your video resumes, you have the options to do that. You can do it with BombBomb, link in the description. Shut up, phone, I'm in a video shoot. Or you can use Google Drive and YouTube, free to use platforms, and you'll have to do some of the connecting yourself, which don't worry, I got you. I will walk you through this process because BombBomb does it for me seamlessly, and I love it, which is why I use them. But if you want to do it for free, then there's a couple of things that you're going to need to know. So let's get back into that. Obviously, you're going to have to record a video, and this video is not about how to record a video, even though I do have videos about that. This video is about how to send this video email off with your resume. And so what you'll need to do is upload this video that you've just recorded onto, you have Google Drive and you have YouTube to be able to put this video up for someone to essentially get a link and click and watch. Because when you're using, let's say, Gmail, and you've already recorded your video and it's up on one of these two places, what you'll need to do is grab that link and then add that link into the email. BombBomb does a great way of doing this because it's a seamless process, and they can even add, I believe, like a 3-second animation of like the beginning of the clip to encourage them to click on the play button of video to watch this video, and it directs them to a page where the video would be viewed. Same thing with Google Drive and YouTube. When you have the video up on Google Drive or YouTube, you take that link and then you hyperlink that inside of your email. In the email, you could say something along the lines of, don't quote me, but hey, I saw that you were looking for a blank position and I think I might have some great qualities that would benefit you guys. I would love to get in front of you. I made a little video to introduce myself. My resume is also attached. I hope to hear from you soon. And then the reason why in the script you had a smile and a wave is because I would recommend you take a screenshot of that. If you want to get all fancy, you can go into Canva and add a little play button to overlay it, but take this image that you have from the very beginning, put that into the email, right click, hyperlink to this video. If you have the play button, then yeah, it works a little bit better because people know that this is a thumbnail that will take them to this video. But if you don't have the play button, then I'd also recommend including a piece of text that says, click here to play my custom introduction video for you, or whatever it might be, but highlight that, hyperlink it to that link that YouTube or Google Drive will give you. That way, when you send off this email, they obviously received it because you put in the right email address, but they'll read through it, skim through it, see your video, be intrigued, like a video, like it's interesting, I want to see what they said about me or said about this position. Click on it, view it, hopefully it sets the proper tone, your demeanor is great, everything looks good. I'm not going to go into like how the video looks, how you shoot it, or anything like that. It's just the process on how to send a video email out, or video email, how to send a video resume. But you could also do emails if you want to get all fancy, but hey, what you do you, but this is a video resume. But anyway, when they see this, they'll instantly be intrigued because you're saying custom video introduction, or I'm including a video with this resume. It's just going to set you aside from everybody else. And also by having a shorter script, going over those couple bullet points that I gave you, and then talking about this in a scripted format, scripted format, because we're not typing everything out and reading word for word. We just know this is what I need to present, and this is how I'm going to be able to get my foot into the door, so then I can then have that one-on-one conversation with them, and then sell them on why we should work together. Now, I have had a lot of great success utilizing this process when I was in the process of actually applying for a job, and then I realized I don't need an employer when I can just be my own boss and do it on my own, which has been working really, really well. But when I went through this process, that's what I did. I actually sent off video emails, and I got a lot of calls, appointments to be made. Why? Because they just love the fact that, A, I know what I'm doing. I'm a skilled videographer who can definitely add some value to an organization, but at the same time, it's intriguing. I mean, imagine you're going through all of these resumes and you're seeing like a video email about this person. Like, I want to learn. I can already see who they are, what they do, and get a little glimpse of what I could be adding on to my team by watching this video. It's bringing a human connection. And sometimes people look down upon that, but I say use what you got to your advantage, and this will help set you aside. But by utilizing a video resume and this video on how to send a video resume out, you'll be able to land more of those one-on-one appointments to see if this is something that you actually want to do. You can maybe even open up your space to, I don't know, experiment with something new by sending off a video resume. I mean, there's endless capabilities, but video emails, my thing. Video resumes, also my thing. Highly recommend that you do something like that and incorporate it by A, you have the BombBomb link in the description of this video, and B, you can also upload it to YouTube or doing Google Drive for the free method. But hey, if you have a problem like communicating just like I do, I recommend not communicating, but at least typing things out, because I can speak faster than I can actually type things out. So if video emails are your thing, then yeah, I recommend BombBomb because it's a great platform for easily getting out all your video emails, aka easily getting out all your video resumes, but you have other options for you as well. So if this helps, awesome. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope to God, please let it be over here. If it is, then great, subscribe. If it isn't, then damn it. If you have any other questions, comments, no concerns, I mean, you might be concerned, I don't know, but if you have anything that's on your mind that you might need some, what am I saying right now? If you would like to see any other videos, then leave them in the comments below. Peace. Don't even begin right now.